Hi guys, it's a quick video on how to make if you're checking back and you find that there's an error on a bill, how to quote unquote recall that bill and make the modifications. Also, if you're doing data entry and you have processed a bill and you realize there are that 2 or 3 lines were left off, this is how you can also recall same and put the information on. Now, once you do a bill, say that you actually did the data entry and you have the numbers 281, you would go to transaction inquiry, transactions, you put um, 281 right here, 281, enter, and the information comes up. All right, so when you click on recall, what it will do, it's going to actually, you will never have 281 again. 281 will now be cancelled. Okay, and also this can only be done while the bill is in the active status. Okay, so when you click on recall, this is what happens. It says, are you sure you want to recall this invoice? Are you sure? A recall invoice may be fetched for a sale. So when you recall, it's going to cancel it and then it's going to allow it to be fetched for a sale for you to rebill it again. All right, so you tell it yes, and then it will give you the filed invoice number. So the 281 has now become 5 50039 000039. Okay, now what exactly does this number mean? You will, when you click on OK, you will leave the screen. Okay, exit out, because what you have done now, you have actually canceled it. See it here, it's now canceled. You have now canceled it, and you go into where you do your normal billing, into transactions, click on sale, put in your username, your user ID, and your password, enter. When you come here now and you're in this section, you exit right here, click on exit here until you come back to the entry list and you go fetch. So right here is where you go, you click on here and then you go down to 39 50039. This is the one that we just did a while ago, and here it comes back up. It asks you, do you want, and you click on fetch. Okay, so this is the invoice that was suspended a while ago. This is the bill that was suspended a while ago from 281, which we converted to 5000039. You remember? And then now we fetch it. Once you fetch it, it will now be in a state that you can make modifications. So if you wanted to add let us just add an item quickly to this invoice. Just say item number 9, and we wanted to add one of that, and we accept. Yes, ask us to enter. Oh, there's no, oh, for this location there's none in stock. Let me just, I'm in the test data, by the way. Once you see this purple screen in the back, we are in the test data. So let me just simply change the location here, where lots are required for this item. Okay, let me just change the location. Wow, the test data don't have any for this item. All right, let's use the famous item here. Let me exit from here, go back to item. Sorry for it taking so long. 1255 tab. All right, changes to, yes, many items, say operating theater, just for argument's sake. This is a trial. Accept, comes up here. I go to the respective lot, space bar, accept, and it now goes over here, and I say total. I say exit here, total, yes. It's going to charge, yes, accept, select till slip, it's printed to PDF 995, and as you can see right up here, so the new number is 28, come off, 283. So that is the new number. Okay, close. 283, here it comes up. So you'd write this on the charge sheet. Okay. Thank you. So this is how you make the change. Any change when you check back. Okay, so we were checking back. We did not have the incontinental pad, one of them. So we actually added. There were two, and we added another one. I could have actually modified this and put this one to 2, but just for clarity, I just added a line to what was there before. And remember, the invoice number that was there before was 281. So there's no longer a 281. It has now been converted to 283. Okay, thank you.